Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rosa Rizka Amelia, student ID number 3421050, Department of Islamic Broadcasting Communication, Faculty of Usuluddin Adab and Da'wah, Class English Communication A. The Honorable to the lecturer who teaches English course, Miss Rizky Sulistianingsi SPD M.Hum. Here I will explain about my paper entitled The Organs of Interpersonal Communication in the Family. Previously, in making this paper, I took several references from several books, namely 1. Book Army Muhammad 2006 Komunikasi Organisasi Jakarta Bumi Aksara 2. Book Cahara Hafid 2016 Pengantar Ilmu Komunikasi edisi kedua Jakarta Raja Wali Pers 3. Book Allah Liliwari M 2007 Dasar-dasar Komunikasi Kesehatan Yogyakarta Pustaka Belajar 5. Book Tubbs Stewart L. Sylvia Mouse 2005 Human Communication Terjemahan Dedi Mulyana Bandung Rosta Karya 5. Book Fancy Fabianus 2016 Mendengarkan sebagai model komunikasi untuk memahami remaja dalam Sibernetika Volume 6 Number 2. Definition of interpersonal communication. According to Erwin Fest, argued that interpersonal communication is a communication process that takes place between two or more people face to face, where the sender can convey the message directly and the recipient of the message can receive and respond directly. Characteristics of interpersonal communication. According to Everett M. Rogers, mention the characteristic of interpersonal communication, namely, interpersonal communication is carried out by at least two people with limited and varied relationship. Means three or people spontaneity happens by chance, so it's not planned in advance. Contact of face-to-face communication, the rate of return is very high. Change someone's attitude. Influencing fact or interpersonal communication, the factors that influence interpersonal communication according to Grace in communication psychology are discipline at work, motivation at work. So when you work, you have to be disciplined and enthusiastic. Openness attitude, interest in work, trust. So you have to be open to each other and nothing is hidden. You also have to trust each other. Purpose of interpersonal communication: get to know yourself and others so we will know ourselves, know each other. Knowing the outside world, create and maintain relationship. Interpersonal communication function, establish and maintain good relationship between individuals, convey knowledge or information, change attitudes and behavior. Human relationship problem solving. So, through interpersonal communication, we can solve human relationship problem. Self-image becomes better the road to success. Success can be achieved by means of interpersonal communication. Relationship of interpersonal communication to family relations. It was cited above the effective interpersonal communication is carried out in the family because communication in the family is pattern based on a certain theme which greatly determines how its members communicate. The theme focus on the three areas: how close one family member is to another, how the level of individuality is built in the family, and how external factors affect the family. Of the three schema fields all of which require communication, and why use interpersonal communication, because in your family there are more than two people who interact directly. Discussion of problems. In today's digital era, information and communication technology is also growing rapidly, so it is hoped that parents will be more vigilant in education their children. Parents must understand the importance of interpersonal communication to their children so that their children do not fall into this sophisticated era, because if parents do not understand the importance of interpersonal communication, it is feared that a child will become less familiar and lack touch with parents and lack of contact with parents, togetherness and comfort in the family. Handling of work. Along with the economic empowerment program by the government, parents or families need to gain an understanding of the important role of interpersonal communication in the family. Reaffirming the importance of the role of interpersonal communication in the family is considered to be able to anticipate the impact of exposure to the internet and communication technology that has slowly but surely changed family communication patterns and eroded family resilience. Direct face-to-face communication as the characteristic of interpersonal communication allow each party to read facial expression, body language to allow a comfortable caress or touch between parents and children to form the reality of togetherness in the family. This atmosphere in turn can influence from and supportive family relationship and action, which are characteristic by mutual respect and concern for one another. Family behavior like that can form a positive child's character as well. So much material that I can explain more or less. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.